back to my channel. Today we are all going for a nature track where we are going to a beautiful lake. So maybe we should go and see what's going out in that lake. Let's start this. So guys, we are going to the Gunjur lake, which is 70 kilometers from Bangalore. So guys, we have reached the lake and now people are doing boating, and you guys might be saying, "Whoa, Ayaansh, what is this?" Well guys, this is a wooden sword, and if anything wants to come in, look at these big beautiful mountains, and also one big one right over there. So guys, this looks like some animal footprint. Seems like I'm going to see a dinosaur or something. I'm going to follow these footprints. OMG, there are a lot of them. You guys, I found a clam. Look at this tomato field. It's a tomato. Look, some tomatoes are right there. Alright guys, here we all reached to a small field where we are having a picnic. And there's some soil that's very squishy and fun. So we are going to have lunch in this place. If you did, hit the like button and also share this video to a friend, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Goodbye.